Hello guys, so this is Keyapp platform for app analytics and app keyword promotion. Before watching this video, please subscribe to our channel to get all the news about app store optimization, keyword promotion, and of course to get updates from our service. Also, if you like this particular episode, please leave your likes and comments. We really appreciate this, and this makes us to create even more video content for you. As you know, all the marketing need the strategy, and basically app promotion is not an exception. And today we will discuss the strategy, the plan for your Android application promotion. You can already read an article about this in our blog where all the information is given in text format. So basically, let's start. We would like to discuss this 30-day plan and just divide all the promotion and all the optimization processes you do with your application by weeks. So if we are talking about the first week of this plan, all the attention during this time should be focused on the preparation of the application to the release if it is not done yet. So within this period of time, it is needed to finish all the text metadata optimization, all the visuals optimization, and of course start to work with keywords and basically to get for which keywords you would like to get top positions with your application. As you remember, all the processes of text optimization starts with keyword cloud optimization or keywords gathering or the creation of keyword research for application. So at once after you released your application, you should add all the keywords which you gathered for text metadata optimization to any service. I would recommend, of course, Keyapp because it gives the possibility to add as many keywords as you want and check some ranks and keyword score popularity for free. So you just need to add all the keywords there with the aim to be able to follow all the changes in app positions for different keywords. So here you see that some ranks are out, some ranks have the index, and basically it is a kind of new application which was just released. So till the end of the first week until the beginning of the second week, you should have all the keywords added to the service to be able to check the ranks and follow them. And at once after the application is released, of course, we remember that the indexation process on Google Play may take even more than 1-2 weeks. But anyway, it is needed to catch the moment when the application is getting to the index for the keywords to be able to promote them and get higher. So at the beginning of the second week, like day 7, day 14, when you added all the keywords, you may do actually the first steps in promotion. The first thing we do here is check for which keywords the application gets into the index. Among these keywords, we define the most relevant for our application, and we can already set first promotion campaigns if the positions are achieved and if the application is in top 250. Also, if you want to check for which keywords your application is already indexed and if none of the keywords you have added are in the top 250, you can use the tool at our platform which is called Smart Campaign, which basically can help you to get for which keywords the application is already indexed in the particular region. And in such a way, you will be able to check the request and get the most relevant of them. We remember that during this week, it is already possible to start the promotion. So let's do this. And as you could see, the application is indexed for a kind of long-tailed keywords, and also the positions, the ranks are quite low. So we can start the promotion with low amount of keyword installs just with the aim to get higher in rank and of course to help the application to index for other keywords. As you could remember, on Google Play, it is important to promote several keywords together with the same core, because our aim with this application is, of course, to increase the positions for the keyword translator. But while the application is not indexed for this search request, we can promote it for other connected keywords with the same core translator, just with the aim to help Google to understand that the application is relevant for this search request. So we take some search requests, and not all the positions are in top, like you may see. And basically you see that these search requests are quite long, and it is a kind of keywords of low popularity, of low traffic. So there is no need to proceed with a high amount of installs on an everyday basis. Remember that it is our first keyword campaign, just with the aim to get some higher positions and with the aim to help other keywords to index. So here some positions are in top 30 already, some positions are lower than top 200, top 150, and in such a case we usually set the campaign for 5-7 days. What is the common practice for the Google Play? And as for the amount, here it is out, so the application is not indexed for this keyword, and of course it is needed to delete it from campaign, as we won't be able to find the application for the request and download it. So it will be completely okay to start with 5 installs and increase every day for 3-5 installs as well, just with the aim to give the application the first downloads and to get the first higher positions, even for the request of low popularity, like this. Also, during the second week of your promotion plan, you can already start the ad campaigns. At our platform, they are called CPA campaigns, and basically you can use any other source of ad campaigns. And if we are talking about Google Play, it helps to get into the index for the keywords faster. So you can add some installs from some regions with low cost per install, and even get into top 250 in some tier 1 countries like US, Australia, Canada. On the third week of your promotion plan, it is needed, first of all, to check the results of keyword campaign which was conducted during the previous week. So first of all, you check the positions. You can do this in My Keywords as well. And of course, you check if the application started to rank for the keywords which are the most interesting for you. Like in our case, it is translator. And in such a way, as you remember, such campaigns with the keywords of low popularity, with the long-tailed keywords, can help to bring the main keywords with high score to the index. So during this third week, you also work with keywords and with analysis of results received, as well as you can proceed with new campaign, but already with the new keywords which were indexed for your application. Also, during the third week, it is already high time to start working with app reviews and app rating. All this data you can, of course, analyze in your Google Play Developer Console here in rating and reviews section. Of course, during the first weeks after the release, the application may have no reviews, no ratings, but anyway, it is needed to check, because as we know, reviews show the user opinion about the application, and if the application is new and already received some feedback from organic user, this can help you to improve the product and get what should be fixed. So we analyze rating and reviews here. Here are special graphics which can show you the changes of the rating and reviews, and like the distribution by days. Also, during this week of your plan, it is needed to analyze the first results of your application, which can be analyzed, for example, here in conversion analysis. These graphics will show you, first of all, store listing visitors, store listing acquisitions, and of course, store listing conversion rate. So basically, this data can help you to analyze how App Store optimization work for your application. Here are all the filters. You can filter by country, by language, by such search term, and basically when we filter for search term, Google Play Developer Console can show for which keywords the application gets the more downloads. Like here, you can see some keywords, some search requests. Some of them are mentioned, and here you can also see other. To other, go to the keywords for which the application do not receive the considerable part of traffic. And during the fourth final week, you should work with continuous improvement of your application and like sum up all the actions which with you proceeded during last 3 weeks. So first of all, you analyze and group the keywords. You need to analyze which ranks the application got for particular keywords. You need to group the keywords to different categories. First of all, these are the keywords for which the application is in top 20, like here, because we remember that the promotion in top 20 is not as easy as with lower positions. And the next group is the keywords for which the application is not in top 20, it is from top 20 to top 100. And the third group is the keywords for which the application is lower than 100. The next groups for which the keywords should be divided is, of course, the importance for your application. So the keywords should be divided into one group of the keywords which are of lower popularity, which are long tail, and the second group is the most relevant keywords on which you would like to focus in your keyword promotion. Like in our case, it may be interpreter, interpreter app, interpreter translator, language translator, all the keywords for which you would like to get actually top ranks to attract organic traffic. And in such a way, with this keyword analysis, you will be able to get which ranks you managed to achieve with App Store optimization and with keyword promotion, and basically you will be able to build the plan for next weeks for keyword promotion. And during the fourth week of your plan, it is already possible to start working with reviews. So during the previous third week, we analyzed if application receives some rates, some reviews, and during the fourth week, it is already possible to order some reviews. If your application has no organic reviews till this time, you can just try with adding one review for one day just to start and not to pay any attention from Google. So it was an approximate common plan for all the Android applications. But do not forget that the App Store optimization and the keyword promotion of any application is a different case and different approaches may be used. Anyway, if you have any questions about keyword promotion, about app reputation management, or App Store optimization, you are welcome to contact our support team and we will be happy to assist. Get top positions in the search with Keyapp.